Hello everyone, welcome to Jeet's Creation. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a 3D heart. First, on a plain sheet, we'll mark 2 points and make a simple heart. And now to give the 3D effect, what we'll do is we'll make another heart just above it. The two hearts should collide. Yes, like this. Now, the shading part. We'll do the shading with a very light hand like this. But remember, to give the lighten effect, we will leave some part in between. In the same way, we have to do the shading in the lower part also. Remember to do it with a very light hand. Yes, like this. You can see. And remember, the first heart which we made, we have to highlight it. You can highlight it with a marker or a black color sketch pen or any color you want. Like this. There is a trick. Remember the corners. You have to do the shading a bit darker. And now, to give the shadow effect, we will do the shading in the lower part also. Near the ring, the heart ring, we'll do the shading a little darker and little lighter on both the sides. It will look something like this. Yes. And now, what we have to do, we have to make rule lines. Yes, we have to give the effect of a ruled page, like we have drawn the heart on a ruled page. It will look something like this. Yes. Now you can see, here it is, and you can actually see the 3D effect which we have given it. It's very simple. If you like my work, please subscribe to my channel.